This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this Rancilio Silvia Pro here. So this machine just came in for a tune-up. I descaled the boiler, changed the group head gasket and screen. Here's the old ones. Deep cleaned the steam wand with milk cleaner, and then back flushed the group head and wiped down the whole machine. That's about it, so I'm just going to pull a test shot just to show you that everything's working. So let's start with some hot water. So as you can see, the water's running nice and clear. And let's pour a shot. Hopefully you can see here on this pressure gauge that we're about at 9 bars of pressure. And I'll just stop it there for the sake of the video. Got a nice caramel on the top. And then I'll show you the steam. Hopefully you can see that steam now. And that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.